Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to Weekly Tools. Ever accidentally put diesel in your gas car? Maybe you grabbed the wrong pump or weren't paying attention. Don't freak out, but don't start the car either. Stick with me, and I'll show you exactly what to do next. Here's the deal. Diesel and gasoline are totally different fuels. Gasoline ignites with a spark, while diesel relies on compression. So if you put diesel in a gas car, you've got trouble. Diesel is thicker and oilier, and it can clog your fuel system, injectors, filter, pump, pan that could seriously damage your engine. If you haven't turned on the engine, you're in luck. Here's what you do. Step 1. Don't start the car. Turning the key will push that diesel into the engine, and that's where the damage begins. Step 2. Call a tow. Have your car towed to a mechanic. They'll drain the tank and flush the system. Step 3. Be honest with a mechanic. Tell them exactly what happened so they can fix it right. Once at the shop, your mechanic will drain and flush the fuel lines, clean the injectors and fuel pump, replace the fuel filter to keep things running smoothly. If you've already started it, things get more expensive. Diesel could damage the fuel pump, lines, and even the catalytic converter. You'll probably need some parts replaced. To avoid this, always double-check the pump. Diesel nozzles are bigger, so they usually won't fit, but mistakes do happen. Putting diesel in your gas car isn't the end of the world, but it's not something to ignore. If it happens, don't start the engine, call a tow, and let the pros handle it. Ever made this mistake? Share your story in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips to keep your car running smoothly. See you next time.